In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to commit in GitHub Desktop. First, open the GitHub Desktop application on your computer. If you have multiple repositories, make sure the correct one is selected at the top. You should see the app's main window with a sidebar on the left and your repository details in the center. Next, click the Changes tab on the left side. This view shows every file GitHub Desktop detects as modified, added, or deleted since your last commit. Selecting this tab is helpful because it gives you a clear snapshot of what's different right now, and it's the place where you choose exactly what will be included in your next commit. Now, choose the code you want to commit. In the file list, use the checkboxes to include or exclude files. Click a file to preview its diff and confirm the changes are what you expect. If you only want to commit part of your work, uncheck files that should wait until a later commit. Keeping commits focused makes your history easier to read and troubleshoot later. When you're happy with the selection, look to the bottom left area for the commit form. Add a short, meaningful summary that describes what you changed, and optionally a longer description for extra context. Clear messages make it much easier to understand your history in the future. When you're ready, click the Commit File to Main button. Depending on your branch name, the button may read slightly differently, but the idea is the same. It records the selected changes as a snapshot in your repository's history. If the button is disabled, double-check that at least one file is selected. After committing, click the History tab to review your work. You'll see your new commit at the top, showing the message you wrote and the list of files included. This view is great for confirming you captured the right changes and for browsing previous snapshots of your project. If you realize you committed too soon or included the wrong file, you can undo it. In the History view, right-click the commit and choose the option to undo or uncommit. This moves the changes from that commit back into the Changes tab so you can refine your selection or message and commit again. Note that this typically works on the most recent commit in your local history, and that's it. You opened GitHub Desktop, reviewed your changes, selected the right files, committed them to your branch, checked history, and learned how to uncommit if you need a do-over.